When two forces act simultaneously at the same point, how can they be replaced by one equivalent force? When applying the parallelogram law of forces, treat vectors P and Q as two adjacent sides. First, draw a line through the tip of P that is parallel to Q. Now draw a line through the tip of Q parallel to P to complete the parallelogram. The diagonal drawn from point O represents the resultant force, R. The resultant force, R, tells us two important things: its magnitude, which is the strength of the combined force, and its direction, which shows where the combined force acts. To calculate the resultant, draw a perpendicular from the tip of the resultant to form a right triangle. This triangle provides the basis for deriving the resultant formula. Using the right triangle and trigonometry, we obtain the magnitude of the resultant force. The formula is R equals the square root of P squared plus Q squared plus 2P. To determine the direction of the resultant force, use this formula. Tangent alpha equals Q sine theta divided by P plus Q cosine formula. It completely defines the resultant